Alright guys, today we're gonna look at another animatronic today, and today we're looking at Crackles. I heard that people love Crackles. People say that he's their favorite one. I can't even speak because I just went golfing and it was pretty hot out. So everybody is saying that he is their favorite. So we'll see, in my opinion. Alright. There he is. Look at how cool he looks. And look at that hairdo right over there. Alright, now. Here's his face right over there. Look at the blood. But, why is it... Yo, what the heck? I thought this animatronic was going to be horrible, but his head splits. And this guy comes out. He's like a Henry Hustle. Like, remember when Henry Hustle in 2021? He's just like Henry Hustle. But probably going to be better than Henry Hustle. I'm not sure. Look at that. That face is so scary. Look at how scary that face looks. Oh my god, wow. And here's the story right over here. I'm not going to read it. Alrighty. Here's his box right over here. Look at how cool that box looks. Here's his face. He speaks 4 lines and plays music. I like music. And what are you going to say to me? You're going to say bad words or something? And then here's what his... How should I say it? His other face says... Head turns and cracks open to reveal sinister face. Oh, so does this thing just laugh or something? I don't know. Over here, he stands up to 6 feet and 6 inches at tallest point. He's taller than a 6-foot person. He's taller than my dad. Crackles is huge. Here's the instructions right over here. Doesn't start right over there. I'll pause this. You can pause the video right over here. Alrighty. Now, where's my mouse? Oh. And then I'll pause it again. There we go. And then I'll pause this again. Alrighty. Always this, when Halloween's over, that's how you put his stuff back together. I don't want to think about that right now. What's this? Is this operation or something? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is like operation on him. I'm not sure. That is cool. That is so cool and so creepy. Like, look at that. He's like in the back rooms or something, or in a haunted tunnel or something. That is creepy. Just a campfire story, right? Here's his features. Outdoor rated, head turns and cracks to reveal sinister face with moving mouth. Speaks 4 lines and plays music. Inner eyes light up with red LEDs. Shop Crackles. Shop all animatronics. I'm so tempted. Oh! Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Let's just pretend that never happened, okay? Let's just pretend that never happened and look at that picture. Okay? There's his features. I thought we already saw that. Here's his normal and such a beautiful face and just an ordinary little clown right over here. But you don't know the truth about him. That face. That's his actual face. And then There's Crackles right over here. But over here we have Pumpkin Punisher. We have, what's her name? Willow Witch. Freddy Fazbear. I don't know who that is. And the Xenomorph. But we are focused on Crackles today. So, I'm going to turn on this video. So, Spirit Halloween 2026 animatronic Crackles the Clown. Here we go. Oh, shoot. Here we go.
You want to see a magic trick?
So that's your magic trick, huh? That's your magic trick. Well, one more time, because that was actually pretty cool.
You want to see a magic trick?
That is cool. That is really, really cool. That is cool. Oh, this is the full video.
I'm so excited, I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
Ah. That was cool. So I forgot to put on the online video on Buzz and Carnival Creeper. Sorry about that. I didn't notice that, but we know what Buzz and Carnival Creeper does. But this guy was really, really cool. This guy was really cool. For right now, this one's my favorite one. So far. We have to take a look at the rest. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video.